Believe that you have the power and ability to learn and improve from feedback, regardless if it's positive or negative. If you have any questions about the feedback, just don't be scared. You can always go to the teacher's office and ask for more details, and you can write emails to them or even book a consultation at the UNSW Academic Skills.
There is a hidden support network that not many people talk about. Of course, you have ELS, which is Equitable Learning Services. You have your academic skills team, which can help you academically. You also have like the mental health support as well, if you need any help in that regards. But what I found most helpful for me, and not many people talk about, is actually if you involve yourself with the societies, if you involve yourself within the student life, those people in the societies, those people actively participating in extracurriculars, those are the ones that you get close with, and those are the ones that can eventually help you out academically. You might find someone studying the same course as you that went through the exact same thing, and maybe they're just 1 year older than you, and they went through the exact same thing, so they can actually help you with that specific thing that you're struggling with.
Basically, going through that feedback again and again for a few times, and then writing my own interpretations of that feedback, that was something that was helpful. And along with that, I actually ended up booking some appointments with the academic staff and just asking them that, what did you really mean by me implementing technique A, and technique B would have been better, but I was not sure why technique B would be better in this situation. So just having a conversation with them and just seeking their guidance on how to implement that feedback.
Even if you don't see that you can submit feedback anywhere, it doesn't mean that you're not allowed to seek feedback. It just means that you just have to be proactive if you really want to improve the work that you're doing.
Oh, I'm trying so hard, but why isn't anything improving? So I think, yeah, like the 2 to 3 days of negativity, that was the whole idea of just like confusion that was there for 2 to 3 days. After that, I actually ended up going through the feedback and just going through each comment that was made on my work. And I think gradually after submitting a few works and just making draft versions of the same assignment, just trying to see how I could implement that different perspective, and reading it from a third party, asking someone to a friend or my siblings to just read through my essays and see what perspective they would get from reading my initial version and the version that I had improved upon.